Reporting in the newsroom in Champaign, I'm Melissa Mahalik, and this is the Daily Illini vidcast for Friday, April 13th. A group on campus is trying to find the university a new mascot. Campus Spirit Revival is a registered student organization giving students a chance to contribute their ideas. They have extended the deadline for submissions from this Sunday till October 14th. Some ideas that have already been submitted include Colonel, Lean Mean Mr. Soybean, Trouble the Tractor, and a currently unnamed white-tailed deer. Winners of the contest will receive a $200 Amazon gift card. Zorba's restaurant is back with a new look. Customers are now greeted with a larger seating area, a new wheelchair ramp, a new customized lighting fixtures, and more. Even though there is some new decor, many things haven't changed. The black eye-shaped collage of Illini sports clippings is still there, as well as 2 campus-themed murals that were salvaged from the fire. Customers will also find the same menu. Conceptual drawings for a combined cultural center on campus have been revealed. The working concepts are not finalized and are subject to change. Director of the African American Cultural Center, Roy James, said, quote, "By no means are we saying this is a blueprint or anything of what's to come," unquote. The center is likely to be located at the corner of 6th and Chalmers Streets. Illinois football is back in action, at least for one day. The Tim Beckman era kicks off Saturday with an annual orange and blue spring scrimmage. The teams were determined by a draft, with Nathan Scheelhaus being the first overall selection. The winning squad will receive steak dinners. The scrimmage takes place at 2 p.m. tomorrow at Memorial Stadium. For the Daily Illini, I'm Melissa Mahalik, and this has been the Daily Illini vidcast.